EQing. All right, so this is my favorite plugin to use for subtractive EQ, right? Pulling out resonance, just because it's 7 bands. I have my filters here, so I mean it's really everything that you want to affect on an EQ. This EQ gives you, and yes, this is a stock. This is a stock plugin. So if you don't have a lot of plugins, pay attention to, I'm about to show you how to use this plugin to basically shape vocals, okay? All right, and another thing that I want to do as well, to give myself some headroom, right? Because I can always come back at the end and adjust levels if I need to, right? I'm going to turn this beat down so I can hear my vocals better, right? Less is more. I don't want to just crank my vocals up to match my beat. Sometimes you can bring your beat down to match your vocals, especially in a 2-track mix. Especially in a 2-track mix. All right, so let's do it. Let's get into this hook.
I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit.
Alright, so you hear kind of like that tonal tone.
When I blow they ass to kiss, I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss.
Alright, you hear that? That's all resonance, right? So, but I want to try to find some low resonance
when
real
I blow
quick.
they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck
So we're
around,
getting like a little quick little tonal sound right there, a little small
I've
one.
been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass
Right
to
there,
kiss.
so I want to pull that out, right?
I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we
We'll
making
wind
hits,
that
fuck
band
is a
with
diss.
just a little
I
bit,
pop my
right?
shit, I've been popping since legit.
I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna come over here to these low mids. You hear that?
Never miss, I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking
Alright, so that's resonance. I'm gonna pull that out.
fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit.
That's
Niggas know
resonance.
what's up when I blow
Alright,
they
in
ass
the
to kiss. I
highs.
shoot my shot to never miss.
She got a high pitched voice, so it's definitely a guarantee she's gonna have some high resonance. A lot of it.
I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they
Yeah,
ass
so I'm
to
gonna
kiss.
pull that out right around
I'm
now.
talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been
So when you're
popping
dealing
since
with
legit.
female artists, a lot of times female artists have really, really high pitched voices. So one thing that you can do is go in and pull out some high resonant frequencies, and that'll kind of keep that annoying, sharp, really high pitched vocal kind of toned up and tamed.
I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass.
So it's a lot of body right there, so I'm not gonna take out right there a lot, and I'm not even gonna widen my bandwidth. I'm gonna keep that short, right? So let's listen to it. So this is without.
I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit.
This is with.
Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking
Without.
Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since
This is
legit. Niggas know what's
Without.
up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glock to send clips. My gang don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck.
So as you can see, it's a little smoother. It has a little bit more shape to the vocals, and it's not just so aggressive and out there, right? And you can even do, things like, I might want to turn this up, right? Since all I did was pull down, I might want to crank up my output just a little bit to kind of, keep that kind of volume that I have, so I'm not pulling out too much, right?